Lok Niketan, a unique experience of learning in Banaskantha. Entering the scene of Lok Niketan, we see the lush green trees all around the campus that reminds us of the traditional Indian culture and heritage, drinking water, shelter and clothing. It is quite difficult to reach there since roads are uneven. Most of the inhabitants are illiterate. But since last more than 4 decades, some social, sincere and enthusiastic workers inspired them to associate with the mainstream of social current. The hard workers of the institute have tried to eradicate unusual customs and other evil thinking. Today, the institute appears as a powerful living entity with the happy students and committed teachers. There are more than 14 rural work centers and 29 educational departments for the upliftment of the rural folk. Here, more than 4,000 students live, eat and get Gandhian education. Lok Niketan Institute firmly believes in the principles of Sarvodaya. Lok Niketan represents the ideology of our great Indian father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. We do visualize those principles in the real form. The ideals of Gandhiji, Vinoba Bhave and Jai Prakash Narayan have become force of development in this institute. Now the institute is aspiring for deemed university. Students of the institute simply love the greatness of the place. Here, they not only impart the education of the life-oriented arts, but sports activities like swimming is also a part of the curriculum. It is a break in Lok Niketan Institute runs 19 training centers only in Ratanpur. Late eminent poet Shri Umashankar Joshi praised the institute as architect of modern Gujarati culture. Shri Manubhai Pancholi and eminent writers considered Lok Niketan as the torchbearer of rural areas. Gandhian social worker and Sevadal leader Mr. Hari Singh Chavda is the backbone of the institute. He and the team of social workers are always ready for the beneficial work of the downtrodden.
તો મને 1 કલાકમાં જો આવું સરસ ઘડતર થાય યુવાનો સારા ચારિત્રશીલ રાષ્ટ્રીય વિચારવાળા તો પછી વધારે વખત સાથે રહે એ માટે છાત્રાલય કે શાળાઓ હોય તો વધારે સારું.
In the year 1964, our ex-Prime Minister Mr. Morarji Desai had visited the place. He was very pleased by the committed ideal teachers who architect the life of students. He wrote, I feel now confident about the future of our nation. I am very happy that teachers here are not only teaching but are also engaged in orienting students towards self-development. Here, the students are getting education for dignity of human life. The institute is just like a banyan tree. Once, it was a place for the wild animals like owls, snakes, leopards, even in the daytime. Today, on the campus of Lok Niketan, There is a cow breeding center. There is a herd of Kankraj cow and a veterinary clinic on the campus. At the same time, residential facility is provided to the students as well as the faculty in Lokniketan. This is located in natural surroundings. Inspired by the environment, Mr. Snellman, the Secretary of Swiss Aid Abroad, and Mr. Opliger were so pleased that they gave financial help for educational, agricultural and social development of the institute. Yes, a dream has come true. Lokniketan has revitalized Gandhi and his vision. The devoted and committed social reformer Mr. Hari Singh and Mrs. Pushpaben Chavda has concretized Gandhian thoughts. It is a saga of dedication. Starting with only 18 students in 1961, Lokniketan today provides educational services to more than 4,000 students with the facilities of lodging and boarding without any discrimination. Also, for last 42 years, Lokniketan has been doing several rural developmental services. Hariom Ashram, established by H.H. Mota, keeps forward with more financial support to boost up the momentum of success. This flow was followed by Mr. Kins Bergen, the governor of Antwerp, Belgium. Subsequently, inspired by the developmental activities of the state, diamond businessmen of Bombay and well-wisher friends gave more financial help. Lokniketan has proved to be a herald in the development of the district of Banaskantha. All these activities are associated with the gradual development of 1 Gram Vidyapit, 1 higher secondary school, 10 secondary schools, 8 boys hostels, 1 girls hostel, 3 night schools, 4 residential schools, 1 kindergarten, 2 cow stables, 15 mass education centers and 15 agricultural centers. This is not just the end. Lokniketan has become a milestone in the history. The objective of this institute is to help the students to become the best citizens of India. Thus, by means of education, it aims to contribute in building up the bright future of the country. It is a project against the lifelong poverty. For the benefit of hungry local folk, Lokniketan is having BRS College, the first in the district, B.Ed College, PTC College and MSW College too. Lokniketan is a center point for youth camps, Gandhi Mela, Sarvodaya Mela, Vyasan Mukti Andolan, Safai Andolan, National Integration Camps, etc. There is not a single university, neither medical, engineering, pharmacy, nor management college in the district. Students are compelled to move in other districts for higher studies, and that is why they are facing higher expenditures and limited opportunities. Out of all 25 districts in the Gujarat state, Banaskantha district stands on 24th number in literacy. Girls' education is also low, up to 30.52%. Ministry of Human Resource and Development has declared Banaskantha district as an educationally backward district. Due to illiteracy, unemployment has reached up to 56.37%. There is no big industry that generates employment. Due to unavailability of higher education, there are fewer opportunities in administrative and educational jobs. Additionally, there is insufficient provision for industrial training.